Nearly every new RV we review these days has an LP Quick Connect, and the purpose is simple, right? Giving you an easy connection to your onboard propane containers for outdoor grilling or other outdoor propane accessories like a portable fire pit or gas smoker. Whether your RV has an outdoor kitchen with a built-in griddle or cooktop, or you're using a portable grill, there are a few basic safety steps when you're hooking up a Propane Quick Connect. For starters, if your RV didn't come with one, you are going to need a compatible hose adapter. Now, although these look similar to your air hose quick connectors, they're actually very different in size, and using the wrong type can have serious consequences. A male to female LP gas hose adapter is going to be the most commonly used. The male to hook into the Quick Connect, and the female to hook into your grill or griddle. However, RV models do vary, so check with your manufacturer or consult a retail specialist at one of our nationwide locations if you're unsure of what you need. Hose length is going to be an additional consideration. Now, a 6-foot hose or shorter like this is going to be sufficient for most Quick Connect to built-in griddle connections like we have here with the outdoor kitchen. However, a longer hose like this 12-foot one may be required based on the location of your Quick Connect and where you prefer to place your grill. But with a compatible adapter handy, here are the basic steps to using a Propane Quick Connect on your RV. First thing you have to do is ensure the valves on the top of your LP containers are fully open. You'll then want to ensure the valve controlling the LP flow through the Quick Connect is shut. Connect the male end of the hose to the Quick Connect and the female end to the grill. Then simply open the valve on the LP Quick Connect to allow propane to flow to the grill. You'll then want to light a burner to purge air from the system and confirm proper operation. If your Quick Connect is the first LP appliance that you use after setting up camp, it may take a little bit of time for propane to actually fill the line. So lighting a propane appliance that is closer to your supply point, which of course is going to be your containers, can actually help ensure there's propane in the lines when you're ready to use your outdoor grill or griddle. Now, to safely disconnect, what you actually want to do is leave a burner lit, and then we're going to close the valve on the Propane Quick Connect to shut off the propane supply. This will burn off any remaining LP in the adapter hose. We're then going to disconnect the female end from the grill and then the male end from the LP Quick Connect. We'll cap the ends of the hose adapters just to protect the male and female connections, and a lot of the hose adapters will come with like protective rubber caps. Again, always ensure that valves are fully closed on your propane containers before driving away. Pretty basic operation, but a useful tool for new RVers looking to step up their grill game. If you found this video helpful, then like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay up to date on our latest RV tutorials. For Camping World, I'm Ian Baker. Until next time, we'll see ya.